Hey, let me show you a few information about camera zoom on the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first of all, you can find this 0.6 camera and you can go for 7x. And now when you click and hold it, you can even zoom in up to 140 times. It's called the super resolution zoom. And take a look right now. If we go into the settings of this smartphone, not actually here, we have to click here. And when you turn on the 50 megapixel mode right now, we can zoom in only into 3.5 times. It's no way to zoom in forward. When you go for a video mode, you can also find this ultra wide angle camera and you can zoom in up to 20 times. But for full HD in the 30 frames per second, if you try to switch this, let's try to do this for a 60 frames per second, then it will be here. If we go for a 4K, now we cannot zoom in to 20. Oh no, we can actually, that's my bad. So yes, it's available and this is the maximum resolution. You cannot go for 4K in the 60 frames per second. And that's basically how it looks. Thank you so much for watching.